The next thing that we're going to talk about is setting up an online payment page. Now this is called, it's called e-invoicing, online payment pages. It doesn't really matter. The point is this. First, it's easier than a virtual terminal because you don't do anything. You just give people the link to the page, they submit the payment. It's a very simple system where people go to a page, they type in an invoice number and an amount they want to pay you, and then their contact details. And when they submit that payment, you'll get an email that said, hey, someone just used your online payment page. This is the invoice number they typed in. This is the amount they just paid you. And then also, it will send that customer that paid you an automatic receipt. Now, it's very important to be clear that there is no logic to the system in a good way. We're assuming you already issue invoices. You already have a system. We're not trying to replace that. The idea is sometimes you've sent people an invoice and you just want them to pay you. Well, this is a way that you can say, hey, if you want to submit a payment to us, go to this page on our website and type in your credit card number and we'll take the payment automatically online. And as you can see, here's an overlay of at merchantaccounts.ca. We call ours the Easy Invoice payment page. All it asks for is the invoice number and the amount and their contact details. On the second page, what will happen is they'll type in their credit card number and the expiry date and the 3-digit security code. Now I want to be clear, when the customer is typing this information in, they are not on your website. They're on the secure payment gateway, which means you don't have any security headaches to deal with, which is very important. It reduces your PCI scope. Now, as soon as they hit the submit button, you get an email notification. They get a payment receipt for their records. You didn't have to do anything. You were totally hands-off and the payment just came through. And again, just like with the virtual terminal, the funds are deposited right into your business bank account on a daily basis. Now, in terms of setting it up, I want to be clear, you don't have to worry about any technical concerns. There's 2 ways to set it up. First of all, we can give you a code snippet. It's just a block of HTML code. You can literally paste it onto your website and it is fully working and it is minutes of work. But a lot of our clients don't want to do it. And so instead we'll say, send us a logo. If you send us a logo, we will set up and host a payment page for you for free. We don't charge for it. And your customers can submit payments at that page. So there is no technical work involved in setting it up. You do not come into contact with credit card numbers. And it's just a really easy way to take payments because you literally don't need to do a thing. You're probably already emailing the invoice out to people. So just give them the option in the email. Hey, John, when you want to pay this, you can send me the check. You can call me and I'll take the card over the phone, or just click on this link to go to our online payment page. And that's what most people are going to do because it's the easiest both for them and for you. In our third and final video in the series, we'll talk about credit card tokenization, which is a way for businesses to store credit cards securely so you can bill your customers anytime with their cards stored on file. We'll show you screenshots and examples so you can see exactly how it works.